Hi everybody, it's Nadia here again, and I'm just going to bring to you a nice, simple, get ready with me, nothing extravagant. Most of this will be out of my project pan and a few other bits that I'm trying to test out. I'm just going to put on the number 7 highlights if there's any left, because I have to keep taking the lid off. I really don't think I'm going to get any more out of that, so I'm not putting any highlighter on. And so I'm going to go in with this, the MAC Prolong, which is in my project pan, but I did catch the sun, and yeah, I'm a little bit darker than I normally am. We'll see if I'm still a colour match. And I've learned not to go too heavy with this. For my skin, I don't like it. I really don't like it. So guys, if you can think of anything that you would like to see from me or would like me to do, I would love to hear from you. And this is where you see my skin's peeling off. And I am taking the Wake Me Up, Rimmel Wake Me Up concealer. I want to give this another test to see whether I like it or not, or if it's just going to go. I've used it once. I've not colour corrected because I want to see how this performs on its own. I'm just going to put some on my MAC. Come on. So I got this MAC concealer a few weeks ago. It's still really dark, and it is a dark concealer, but I've literally been using it like a contour. And then blend upwards, blending it into my skin, she says. Doing a brilliant job, isn't it? Really nice colour once it's blended out. It looks harsher there than it does on my face. So where's it gone? I just think it's a really good contour shade for me. So I've been loving this. So I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be back. So as you can see, I've just done my brows. I haven't done anything else. So I've decided we're going to use this Becca Moonstone. Could be opal. Not 100%. And so I'm just taking a bit on my finger, a bit, that's like loads, but and just across my cheekbones while I've not powdered. So yeah, just stipple it out. I'm going to set my face with the Laura Mercier translucent powder that's in my project pan. So just gonna stamp it on under the eyes. I know it's just buffing. So this foundation isn't a bad match actually, but that highlighter's gone. Bit annoyed about that, to be honest. Don't think I'll be using that again. And I didn't powder heavily, because what was on my brush is what I've used. I've not gone back in and used loads more, so I wouldn't write home about it. But I really don't like this Laura Mercier, and I'm going to set this because it's looking ever so powdery. And if you just press if you do this and press it in, it really does stop the like powder look. Taking the Kiko 01. I have tried to deep pan this, guys, and it's not possible. It is a gorgeous bronzer, but just be careful with it. So Kiko blusher in 03. This is the pink stripe one. See, I'm no spring chicken, so, and I found that putting it backwards just works. These two go together, so obviously I'm going to use this L'Oreal Mercier in 01 as my highlighter. And I'm just blending it into my skin. This has got a lot of texture, shows a lot of your texture up. Taking the brush, and just sweeping that again to mesh the two together. I know this is going to be really simple and really quick, but I'm going to take just a simple eyeshadow from, so I might actually take this Gift. It's a peachy colour, and I'm just going to pack that on my lid like so, all the way into my crease. And sometimes, guys, we don't actually want to do a lot. I know I don't. So this for me is perfect. We're just going to get a shimmer colour. I think I might go for this one, which is Crimper. It's a goldy colour, and I'm just gonna put this sort of all over, but slightly, so it just gives a little bit of a golden look. I think that's stunning, I really do. Two colours, two simple colours, a little pink and a little pop. Elf mascara. So I'm taking a Kat Von D Studded Kiss one and going to pink brush and just run that underneath my eyes. Taking the Avon setting spray again and just resetting that face, guys. So this is the finished look. As normal, guys, everything will be linked down in the description bar below. And if you enjoyed this beauty look, then I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!